is Ludwig. He's red. He got little grey hairs.
He's got little gray hairs.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What should we name him?
Alana! Hello!
Yeah, okay, Snuffy.
Screw that. No,
Screw that idea.
Okay,
The Red Hot Chili Peppers. Okay, can you stop with that, please?
We'll name him.
It runs in the family. I'm sorry.
Oh, me.
Yes?
Me, Santa.
Shut up.
Santa, look at
We're
that
Jewish.
hair.
No, because if that was Santa, she'd be sitting on him, not him sitting on her.
True.
Me.
Shut up.
What, Alana?
Santa Claus.
No.
We'll name him Yellow.
No.
Okay, Yellow's a good name. Yellow it is. Camera, meet Yellow.
Well, thanks for shooting my